I promise you na, that I'm gonna give you some ideas how to earn money online. So check out my first video. Blogging. You can do blogging to earn money online. Now, what is a blog? It's a piece of content, information, useful information of any subject. Alright. So how to make a blog, how to start earning. There's a website, startblog.com, blogger.com. Go to those websites. They are giving you free advice on how to make a blog and how to earn. And trust me guys, if you're good in writing, that means if you're good in content writing, you can share your own views over the same, and you can generate lakhs of money just while sitting at your home. No need to go anywhere. And gradually, when you are taking an edge over others, it'll be easy for you to work with the international clients. And then, of course, money will be in dollars. Found that a great idea? So try it now. What is a blog? How to make a blog, free steps or guide to become a blogger. Do searches today only. If that is not your cup of tea, it's okay. Do subscribe my YouTube channel and follow this page, whatever you are seeing on Facebook, Instagram, whatever. I'm gonna come up with the next video. There, I'm gonna tell you the another way to make money, because I'm gonna take guarantee that I want you to become financially independent in this time of COVID-19. I hope you can understand if you're with me to watch the videos. Thank you so much.